Here with the help of this, you can see.
For the creation of the contact, we are using the T code RECN. Okay. Once you have entered the RECN transaction code in the SAP command field, then this type of the screen will open. You have to fill your company code and click on this create object. Getting my points? So once you click on the create object, then I repeat again, the transaction code for the creation of contact in SAP is RECN, and after creation you have to choose the contract type like BSNL internal users contract, lease in building, lease in land, IGST land, commercial lease in, commercial lease out, lease in multiple partners, lease out to vacant staff quarters to others, government employee, PSUs or DOT. Okay, so depending on the case you have to choose the contract type. Getting once you have to choose the appropriate contract type, click on the tick and this type of the window will appear here. This type of the window will appear here. Okay, so this is the general data fast entry. This is the company code, and here you have to enter the RO details. Here you have to enter the customer details. What is the contract start date here, profit center here, business areas here. Okay, then partner, then term, then object, then measurement, then posting parameters, then conditions, then adjustment, then overviews. Means all the icon which is included, the tick box, these are the mandatory for the creation of the contract in SAP. Okay, I'm not going to create the contract, I'm just going to show you how I have created the contract and what are the important fields which I have filled in SAP. So I have a contract number which I have created in SAP. Okay, that is 81830000000179. Getting my points? And go on the display object. Okay, see, in the general data fields I have contract type is staff quarter lease out to government, PSUs and DOT other departments. Company code, see, company code is 1100. This is my company code. Okay, and the contract which I have created a few days back. Okay, this one is 8183 6 times 0179. Getting, this is company code, this is business entity, and this is rental object RO. Getting my points? The staff quarter 2nd by 11 staff quarter Barbarity Jabalpur I have created in the SAP. Okay, I have already created in the SAP, and this is the customer code which I have created in SAP in respect of Mr. Ashish Kumar Dwivedi. Okay, after the filling the template SD03 and send this docket to SD core team. Okay, so see, I am repeating again and again, you have to very careful while selecting the contract type. Getting, and company code is 1100. Contract type which I have created, this is the contract number. Okay, and this is the customer master tenant, this is customer. After the creation of the customer I have sent the mentees in the REM module to REML3 for the assigning of the BP role, business partner role. Once the business partner role assigned to this customer, then and then you will create the contract. If you have not assigned the BP role to this customer, then you are not able to create the contract. Getting my points? This is the contract start date. This is the profit center. Okay, profit center of the CFA. This is the business area. Business area means this is our the district business area. Okay, this is the total rent per month paid by this customer to our company for this type 2 staff quarter. Getting my points? I repeat again, you have to first create the customer by filling the SD03 to send the docket with approval to SD core team. Once they have created the customer, then again send a docket or mentees to REM module, and REM L3 or REM core team will assign the BP role, business partner role, to this customer. Once the business partner role assigned to this customer, then you have to create the contract. Okay, and I repeating again, the contract creation transaction code is RECN. Profit center is a unique, and for the CFA is 10,000, it's fixed. And the business area in each and every company, there are divided in the business areas, and this is the business areas. Okay, and date of actual position or date of contract start is 15 December 2019. Okay, and I have allotted this type 2 staff quarter to Ashish Dwivedi because name of organization is from the Defense Department. Okay, and name of equipment is this. If I am going to allot the quarter to BSNL employee or my company employee, then you have to fill here HRMS number or employee number or staff number. Okay, now again going to in the partner field. Okay, in the partner field you have to fill the customer. Okay, customer number, Mr. Ashish Kumar Dwivedi, start the relationship here. Okay, and see here, BP roles are assigned TR0600, BP number, that is the customer number, and start the relationship from the 15 December 2019, and this is the customer number. Then again go in the term. Okay, so all the terms is same, that is 15 December 2020, that is contract start date, possession date. Okay, contract start date, possession date, and cash flow date, and first posting from and all. Okay, so all the things is unique. Okay, getting my points? All the thing is in unique, and these things come after the approval of the from the competent authority. Okay, and once the completed authority approval is assigned, then actual rent is start by our company, and the date of invoice will actually start from that commencement of the date, possession date. Okay, and now the next object is object. Okay, so relationship valid from 15 December 2019, and nothing you have to enter here. Okay, getting? Object type means RO, and this is our RO number 500000034. Measurement, if you have a really measurement available like plinth area, carpet area, number of fans, number of stairs, number of ground floors, number of geysers, number of exhaust fans, so these type of the things you have to mention here, measurements. Okay, plinth area, carpet area, and all. What is the base area? Okay, and here you have to fill the posting parameters. In the posting parameters you have to choose only tax type. Okay, for example, I have to here choose the OTPT. Okay, OTPT is output GST. Okay, because this quarter I have allotted to the defense person. Okay, so these things are the exempted from the taxes. So 0% exemption, SGST, CGST. Okay, so okay, okay. Output GST exemption, SGST apply UTGST 0% plus CGST 0%. Okay, that is O5. Okay, O5 is the tax code and tax type is the OTPT. If I have a create the contract for the land, leasing land or leasing buildings and for the different, then depending on the conditions you have to choose this posting and tax type. Okay, okay. Now next is condition parameters. This is very important parameters, very important field. You have to mention and maintain all types of the condition here, like lease rents, license fees, house rent allowance, water charges, additional license fees, electricity charges, common electricity charges, civil maintenance charges, electricity maintenance charges, horticulture maintenance charges, watch and ward charges, housekeeping charges, property tax, late payment penalty, area water charges and other recoveries. Okay, license others, previous year, current year's license fees and all. What types of the conditions you have maintained here, the same will be reflected in customer invoice. I repeat again, what types of the conditions and what are the conditions you have to maintain here, the same will be reflected in the customer invoice. Okay, so you have to very careful that the values or the amount you have to enter after the duly approval from the competent authority. Okay, because after and all, it's your responsibility that you have created the contract in the SAP REM module. Okay, all the things I have mentioned here per month on the monthly basis. Okay, so key date is again 15 December 2019. Okay, okay, that I have mentioned the fixed lease rent is 3194 for the type 2 staff quarter. Okay, the license fees is 310 rupees, water charges is 185 rupees, civil maintenance charges is 513 rupees, electrical maintenance charges is 129 rupees. Okay, and the fixed amount electrical charges is okay 2.294. Okay, and then overviews field, in the overview fields you will just see your invoice. Okay, see and click on this invoice run ID, you will see the customer invoice. Okay, you will see the customer invoice which you have maintained during the creation of the contract. Getting my point? All the details of the customer will appear here. Okay, electricity charges, water charges, license fees, lease rents, electricity maintenance charges, civil maintenance charges. Okay, so and this is the contract number. Once you create the contract, mention and complete all the activities, then this customer invoice will generate in the FICO module, SAP FICO modules. Okay, and you will hand over this invoice to customer and customer will submit the respective rent. Okay, so this is all about the contract creation. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, okay, for the latest SAP's videos. Okay, thank you so much.